In today's digital age, organizations face increasing complexity across IT systems. From cybersecurity to networks, applications, and even industry-specific technologies, teams often work in silos, with limited access to real-world training environments. This creates skill gaps, inefficiencies, and higher risks of failure when critical systems are tested in production. Introducing siberSIM, a multi-domain IT simulation platform that bridges the gap. A safe, scalable environment to train, test, and simulate across real-world IT and industry systems. From cybersecurity to networks, applications, and industry-specific IT, siberSIM enables hands-on experience without risking live environments. Customizable scenarios help teams rehearse, validate, and innovate. siberSIM able to simulate complex networks with real-world traffic, build topologies, monitor performance, and test resilience under pressure. siberSIM able to train against real cyber threats. Launch simulated attacks, defend with countermeasures, and measure team readiness, all without risk to real systems. siberSIM able to test your applications in a safe environment, validate performance, scalability and integration before deployment. siberSIM able to explore next-generation IT, simulate cloud services, IoT devices, and smart environments, ensuring security and reliability from edge to core. With siberSIM, all domains connect into one unified ecosystem, giving you the power to simulate without limits. For organizations, siberSIM reduces costs, improves operational readiness, and empowers your teams to gain deep expertise, all under one platform, deployable on-premise and on virtual platform. siberSIM is your safe training ground, your testing platform, your innovation engine. siberSIM assembles simulates.